Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Anupriya and I hope you guys are doing good. Please be safe, please be in good health. Okay, so I have created this look for this video and ये look है inspired from Shreya Jan. Not exactly the whole look, only this eye part जिसमें मैंने green pop colors use करे हैं. She has used the same colors और ऐसा उन्होंने एक summer look create किया था around a month ago. तो मुझे वो idea बहुत अच्छा लगा था. So there are two surprise elements in this video which I'm using first time on my channel. So चलो guess करो कौन से हैं वो दो surprise elements. ओके मत करो उसके लिए पूरा वीडियो देखो एंड पता चल जाएगा कि कौन सा है वो सरप्राइज एलिमेंट. ओके प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन फॉलो मी ऑन माय इंस्टाग्राम. द हैंडल इज इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स एंड इट मस्ट बी शोइंग ऑन द स्क्रीन somewhere. So yeah, don't forget to do all these things. Now let's start this video. So let's begin this video and my skin is already prepped. It's been moisturized and hydrated. So I'll straight go with my primer and today I'm using PAC Photo Finish Primer. Now this is a silicone based और काफ़ी अच्छे से पोज वगैरह ब्लर आउट कर देता है. ऑल्दो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पोज की ऐसे प्रॉब्लम नहीं होती है बट फिर भी काफ़ी स्मूथ कर देता है मेकअप लुक और अच्छा लगता है. सो लेट्स अप्लाई दिस अच्छे से ऑन माई टी जोन्स एंड जहाँ पे ऐसा थोड़ा इशू है एंड आई विल put it very properly. So after applying the primer, I'm going straight with the concealer. I'm using this color corrector. Now I will be applying on my dark circles just to correct them. So just using some products. जहाँ भी pigmentation है अच्छे से इसको apply कर दो and just blend it properly. कलर करेक्शन इज़ डन. ठीक है, मुझे पता है हंसने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. अभी इसके ऊपर फाउंडेशन लग जाएगा तो एवरीथिंग विल बी गुड. सो फॉर फाउंडेशन आई एम यूजिंग माई Maybelline Fit Me फाउंडेशन और इसको मैं पूरे चेहरे पे लगा लूँगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो आई एम जस्ट पुटिंग इट वेरी प्रॉपरली ऑन माई फेस. Okay, after applying the foundation, let's get straight into concealer. For concealer, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm in the shade 30 Honey. So let's apply this. और जो थोड़ी बहुत orangeness रह जाती है because of the corrector, तो उसको ये अच्छे से correct कर देगा. And I'm just focusing on the areas जहाँ पर अभी भी थोड़ी pigmentation रह जाती है क्योंकि I have very like गुड वाला डार्क सर्कल. सो इट इज़ प्रॉब्लमेटिक थिंग. बाकी जगहों पर उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है बट आई एम जस्ट हाईलाइटिंग माई फेस लिटिल बिट. सो आई एम यूजिंग ऑन द एरियाज जनरली आई लाइक टू डू इट. सो या इट्स डन एंड लेट्स ब्लेंड दिस वन आउट अच्छे से. After applying concealer, everything is set and let's powder a face. और उसके लिए I'll be using my Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'm in the shade 25 medium. I will leave the powder for some time under my eyes. Now let's get straight with the eye makeup. So eye makeup is going to be very simple. Now this is inspired from one of my famous vlogger. She is Shreya Jan. She has done this look, especially the eye look. Everything is different. So she did this eye look a month ago and I am so obsessed. But I couldn't. But now as I'm shooting, I've decided that this is gonna be my first look. So yeah, let's begin. I'm gonna do my eyebrows. For this, I'm using my Nykaa eyebrow definer. This is the product I'm using first time. So let's see how it's gonna work. So let's start. Now it's time to remove the excess powder, and I'm just going to swipe it like this. No extra steps required, just remove it and you are good to go. Okay, now let's get straight with the eye look. First eye look करते हैं, उसके बाद we'll be doing special things, क्योंकि मैंने वो नहीं करे हैं कभी भी अपने इस चैनल पे, so this is going to be the first time. Okay, so let's start. So for that pop वाला shade, I'm using this green shade right here and उसके ऊपर pop करेंगे with yellow. So let's see how it's gonna turn out. So just taking it on my very small brush और इसको inner corners में पहले place करेंगे, just like this. I don't know how it is turning out. Green shade is done and I'm going to top it with yellow shade. So let's see. Okay, so it is done. Now let's apply eyeliner and we will see कैसा look आता है. Now eyeshadow is done और अब fake lashes की बारी है. So this is the first time I'm doing this on my channel और मैंने पहले कभी लगाया भी नहीं है. So this is going to be the first thing I'm trying out और let's see कैसे होता है. But before that let's apply mascara और फिर मैं off camera eyelashes लगाऊंगी and then I will meet you. Hey guys, so I am back. My lashes are on. These are from Nykaa और मैंने इनको अपनी Nykaa हॉल में भी दिखाया था. मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम तभी बाय करा था अपने lashes and they are very like a natural length, natural volume. So बहुत ज़्यादा ऐसे दिख नहीं रहे हैं but they are giving like a good perfect image to my eyes. So I think they are looking nice. Now let's move to contouring and blushing and highlighting. Now the contouring is the next thing which I'm gonna do first time on my channel. So let's see कैसा होता है. Contouring, I'm using my Hoola bronzer. Now this is a mini version and I've got it in my Nykaa sale. So let's see कैसा होता है. और उसी में मैंने ये brush भी लिया है. It's kind of a flat brush, very good for contouring and bronzing. So let's see. और मैंने जो टेक्निक सीखी है उसमें ये है कि you have to be doing this और जो भी आपका like the hollow part वहाँ से आपको contour करना होता है. So let's see how am I doing it. I'm going to do it very light. So I have covered my cheeks, my jawline and my forehead. मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा light रखा है because it's my first time, so मैं नहीं चाहती कि बहुत ज़्यादा over हो जाए. So I think it's looking nice, the contouring and everything, and I have blended it properly. So to blush and highlighter. For blush, I'm using K Beauty blush. This one is in the shade a Coral Charm. Now I will be taking product on my big fluffy brush and just tap the excess, and here you go. This gives a very subtle kind of a pink and orange shade, which is very pretty. So yeah, it is done. And before applying the highlighter, I am thinking to contour my nose a little. So let's see if I'm able to do it very properly or not. So I've just taken the product and Okay, now let's use highlighter, and for highlighter I love using my Molten Gold from Maybelline. Now I will just take the product very nicely on my brush, and here it is. Now everything is done. Now let's move to the lipstick part, and I'll be using nude and some pink shades for this look. So let's see. So I'll be mixing 2-3 shades. The first shade was from Lakme 925. It is their blush Velvet, and the second shade will be from Fashion Color. It is their shade N07. So I'm just going to apply this one, and I'm just going to apply third shade. Now this one is going to neutralize this pink shade a little bit, and it will make it more subtle. So for that I'm using Smashbox lipstick in the shade Gulabi. So I will just top it. Alright, so the look is complete, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. Please tell me in the comment section which was your favorite thing I did in this video. So it will be a great help for me to create more contents. And also please subscribe to my channel, follow me on my Instagram, and also please like this video and share this video with your friends and family. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.